And I'm a really happy person, and I just wanna live without the rules and all the shit. And this day is best day of my life, and bad luck never gonna find me again, never again. And sunshine is never gonna find me, because I live in a black hole of blue, black hole of blue and red. I'm never gonna touch me, because I live in a dark side of blue, dark side of blue. And I'm walking on the street and thinking about the moon and sun and world. For me and you and I'm really scared.